Let me show you how to make your own homemade leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is infused with a lot of herbs that are designed for your hair health. This might be the secret recipe you've been looking for. You're going to need your flaxseed, which contains vitamins and minerals that are good for problematic scalp. You're also going to need some neem leaf, which is good in conditioning your scalp and also helps to promote healthy hair growth. I also added some rosemary, which helps to boost blood circulation to scalp, which promotes hair growth. I also added some clove seeds, which strengthens your hair strands, thereby reducing hair breakages. You do not have to use the exact herbs that I'm using. You can choose to switch it up a little bit, add extra if you want. You're going to add some water, then you're going to boil. Just like you would when you're making your normal flaxseed, try to save it when it's still warm. I made a mistake. I allowed it to cool a bit, and now my flaxseed gel was looking like jelly. It was so hard to sieve. I had to transfer it into my sieve cloth just to be able to sieve it. So this is the amount of infused flaxseed gel that I got. You're going to get some fresh aloe vera, extract the aloe vera gel however you like. This is how I like to do mine. So aloe vera is actually very good for problematic scalp like itchy scalp and dandruff. So I decided to use flaxseed and aloe vera because they are good moisture and hydration products. As you all know, leave-in conditioner go hand in hand with moisture and hydration. So this is the amount of aloe vera gel that I got and also the amount of infused flaxseed that I have. So you're going to transfer everything into your bowl, then you're going to add your emulsifier and cetearyl alcohol to help bind your oil and water together. I also added a little bit of oil. You can add any oil of your choice. So I'm going to be heating everything to melt everything together. Yeah, I know it looks like poo right now, but everything is going to change in a bit. So I decided to mix it for just about 30 seconds. Then I'm going to let it cool before mixing again. So this is what it's looking like after about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to go in with my mixer again to mix for just about 30 seconds before adding the rest of my product like my preservative. This is non-negotiable. At this point, you can add any essential oil of your choice and any fragrance of your choice just to sweeten the smell. Then you're going to mix for additional 30 seconds to make sure everything is fully saturated with your additional product. Voila, just like that, your conditioner is ready. You cannot tell me this is not a leave-in conditioner. Again, like I said, you do not have to use the exact herbs that I used. You can tweak it a bit or add more herbs. It depends on you. So this will make a very good leave-in conditioner. You can pair it with any growth oil of your choice and your hair will do just fine. As always, I always show you how I try to apply this to my hair, and this is what the conditioner is looking like after about 2 days. And that's it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll be right there waiting for you. Bye.